Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a biology class for class 9 student on the based on creative question answer which is belongs to chapter 2. So let us move forward to this topic. Dear students, our today's topic is first creative question of chapter 2 which is given in page number 47 in your book. This is the stem of the creative question 1. In the first figure, this is indicate as M and this is the second figure indicate as N. By seeing these two figures, we can easily understand this figure is of plastid or chloroplast. This color is green. By easily we can understand this is green colored plastid or chloroplast, and this figure is centrosome or centriole. This two part is centriole, this is centrosphere, and total is called centrosome. Now come to the questions. What is plasmalemma? And second one is, why are plastid called color forming organs? Now, why is the organism marked with N important for the living world? Explain. Come to last one. What type of problem will appear in the living bodies if the part marked M is absent? Analyze it. Come to the answer of the question. This is the answer. Answer of A, that is what is plasmalemma. This answer you have in your book. That is the double layered membrane around the protoplasm of a cell is called cell membrane or plasmalemma. You will get this in the para of plasmalemma. Come to the second question. Why are plastid called color forming organs? The answer of B is the colored organelles present within the cytoplasm of plant cell are known as plastid. They are responsible for the formation of color of any plant part like leaves, flower and fruits. In absence of light, plastid becomes colorless. The colorless plastid are known as leucoplast, generally present in the cell of root and gametes embryo, where sunlight is not available. In presence of sunlight, colorless plastids may develop color. So, the plastid are known as the color forming organelles. Dear students, we know there are three types of plastid. One is green color plastid, that is make the plant green, that is the chloroplast. Another is various types of color has, that is chromoplast, that makes the plants beautiful with the flowers and fruits, colorful flowers and fruits. And last one is leucoplast, which is colorless plastid. But when the leucoplast come contact into the light, contact with the sunlight, it turns into leucoplast or it turns into chromoplast or chloroplast. Thus now we have told chromoplast makes the flowers and fruits colorful and chloroplast makes the leaves green in color. That means the plastid makes the environment colorful. That's why the plastids called the color forming organs. Now come to the next question. Come to again to the stem. Question is, why is the organelle marked with N important for the living world? Explain. The mark with N is a plastid. This color is green, that we can say this is green colored plastid, that means chloroplast. That means we have to discuss about the importance of chloroplast for the living world. Come to the answer. The N mark organelles in the diagram of the stem is the chloroplast or green colored plastid. Plants trap light energy coming from the sun by the chloroplast to manufacture carbohydrate food by combining water absorbed by the root and carbon dioxide absorbed from the air. In this process, oxygen is evolved as a byproduct. The carbohydrate produced in the process of photosynthesis act as intermediate substances of various substances constituting the living body. Dear students, we all living organisms are depends on this carbohydrate directly or indirectly, which plants produce through the process of photosynthesis. It also acts as the source of energy required by the living cell to their metabolic activities and also existence. Oxygen produced in this process is utilized by the living organism for their respiration. Thus, the organ maintain the continuous supply of oxygen to the living world and established balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the environment. Students, this is only the guideline. You can easily find more information in the internet and on this topic. Then you have to add more information on this topic as a question answer, because this is question answer for 3 marks, and this is too much easy to make it because you also learn about it in your class 6 science book. Now come to last question answer. What type of problem will appear in the living bodies if the part marked M is absent? Analyze it. This question answer will be your homework, and come to the answer. This M marked organism is centrosome, that means centriole. There is 2 centriole in a centrosome, and without the centrosome, that is centrosphere, and this is too much important for the cell, because the centrosome play a vital role in the time of cell division to make the spindle apparatus and the ester ray, and ester ray helps to break the centromere in the time of the phase anaphase, when the chromatids get separated with the half of centromere and go to the different poles of the cell in the time of mitosis cell division. Without this centriole, the cell can make the spindle apparatus. Without spindle apparatus, the cell can't be divided. So, for the cell division, for the growth and development of the living organism, the centriole plays a vital role. Without this centriole, any cell can't be divided in the time of mitosis cell division. Like the neuron cell don't have any centriole, that's why it can't be divided, and it is the example of this. Then if there will be no centriole, there will be no growth and development in the living bodies, and this is so much important for the growth and development of the living body. So you have to follow your book, the centrosome and centriole part, and you can write the answer by following that part. Dear students, your homework number 9 is creative question number 1's D, and you have to submit on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number on the on the board. Keep practicing, read the chapter so properly, because this is so important chapter for you. Do the homework regularly, submit it regularly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.